Happy New Year! This is Scott Leroy, Scott Leroy Marketing, coming in with some updates on how you can take advantage of everything we have to offer to start the new year. So we're going to start with 3 things that I would highly suggest any agent would take advantage of to start 2026 on the right foot. All right, so first and foremost, welcome to the ScottLeroyMarketing.com website. To access everything that you want to utilize, you might not be seeing this right now. Make sure you sign in with your Market Center number, and that's going to give you access to all the agent resources in our drop-down menu. Now, the first thing I would highly suggest taking advantage of is our tech refresh. This is meant to be a quick audit of all of your different technology that you currently have to ensure that you are fully set up properly. Now, you may have gone through and filled out our questionnaire when you first joined as a new agent or when you were coming over to the brokerage. But this is a great opportunity to go back and say, well, now that I've been with the brokerage, now that it's 2026, what all is different if I was to join again today to get up and running? So once you select this, it's going to take you over to a different page to fill this out, and it'll say, how can we help you today? All right, you can say, I'm already at KW, I need a refresh. Once I click next, it'll then say time for a tech refresh. Complete our SLM tech refresh form, and we'll get everything set up for you within 1 business day. So click next. And then just for us to know, are you joining? It'll say joining. Take that with a grain of salt. We know you're not joining. But are you joining as a staff member, admin, or a leader? In this case, you can say, no, I'm joining as an agent, or obviously I am an agent, and we're going to ask some questions on here. Now, please note that nothing that we're going to be setting up on here is going to change what you already have completed. We are only going to go through and update anything on here that is missing, right? Any items that you might want to go through and say, well, hey, I didn't have that set up because it wasn't available when I first joined. Now, when this is all completed, you are going to receive an email very similar to one that you may have seen before that's going to say Keller Cloud Setup Complete, and it's going to have your information on here. All right, so we're going to have all of your info ready to go. So even if you want to just fill this out just to get a new updated Setup Complete email, this is fantastic. Please feel free, because obviously, once again, if you signed on with KW prior to, let's say, September, for instance, Canva was not available. Maybe you did not know that you have Gemini AI available through your KW.com email, and you want to see some of the prompts to use. Or some of these additional items that we're setting up as well, too, external to some of the KW technology. Maybe you want to receive those as well. So please feel free to take advantage of this. This is the first thing I would suggest to utilize for us to get you fully integrated with all of our different tools, all the different KW tools, and to get 2026 started on the right foot. So please be on the lookout for step 2 and 3, and I look forward to helping you out very soon.